Hey everyone. Oh yeah, we didn't loosen this at all. I suck. We get Invisigal butting in. This video comes from the past. See, that right there, that right there. Hey everyone, welcome to another Project D Dart episode, and welcome actually to another unboxing. Today, we have something very interesting. Well, I say very interesting. It's not terribly interesting, but the way this came about is very interesting. Shout out to John for sending this to me. Oh yes, this is another part that's going to be going on Project D Dart very soon. It's actually what I've been meaning to do, because technically I already have this part. I just don't have it. I don't have it the way I now have it, like this. So let's get the box open so I can show you guys what's inside. Ooh, red bag too. Nice. We're gonna take the box out of the way. We're gonna grab this, pull these apart. Nice. Let me just grab this strap from the corner. All right, wow. That's very interesting. All right. So as you can see, you can probably see over there. Grab this. Here we go. Okay, so that's definitely the back. That's definitely the back, and then that's the front. Another back one. Yeah. Then we should have, yep, one last front one. So what these are, as you can obviously see, are mud flaps. But these aren't just any mud flaps, because I didn't find these in a junkyard. I found the front ones in a junkyard. But as I said, I don't know if that video has gone up yet, but I found the front set in a junkyard, but there was a little hole right in here somewhere, so I haven't gotten the chance to put them, to really like glue them together and clean them and what have you. But while searching for another part, I got John wrote to me on Facebook, and then we just started talking, and it turned out he has the Rally Armor mud flaps on his car. So he had, especially because I now have it, he had a completely unused OEM set of mud flaps. So now I finally have the front set to go with my rear set. So that means, oh yes, we can finally complete another ticket. There's a little thing in here. Okay. Apparently it's a dog bag, whatever. I can now finally complete the mud flap portion of Project D Dart. I can finally really complete the look, because I've been running just the rear ones for a little while, and they look cool, they look good. But it did look, the rear has had a lot done to it, especially since really like the last time you've seen the car, because I've recorded a lot in between. This was probably going to be the first video up in a little while, though. So again, a lot has changed, but the car has had a lot done to the rear now. Not as much done to the front. Not pretty much nothing, actually nothing since the hood. Well, visually. If we're talking about visuals, then yes, nothing's been done since the hood. So this will finally be one of maybe two other things that, actually yes, two other things that I need to do to the front of Project D Dart. I'm going to save these just because, like, they look really good, don't get me wrong. I just don't think I really need to replace my semi-frayed junkyard set with these new ones. So that, and if I ever want to try to reproduce these on my own, it's going to be a lot better to have a clean set than a warped set. But I don't really feel like cleaning and fixing the, oh wait, no, there is, okay. Okay. So there is actually meant to be a little hole. And what you just heard then was my mic dying, basically. The transmitter died, and then the receiver was flashing yellow, not yellow, it was flashing purple or red, and I didn't really know why. It didn't occur to me that the AA batteries in my transmitter were dying and then dead. So, unfortunately, there is no more audio, and I honestly don't really remember what I was saying past the point of there's a little slit in the front mud flaps. So, I don't have much to give you guys beyond that, but yeah, the front mud flap set that I got from the junkyard has the little slit like the like the new version that I got, the new old stock basically. But it's a lot more pried open, likely because of dry rot and things like that. So I thought the rubber had actually fully split from the back or maybe the front, depending on your perspective, of the mud flap. And it turns out, no, there is supposed to be a little slit. It's not supposed to be that big as it is on my junkyard set, but yeah, it is supposed to be there, and I didn't know that. So, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. I got a new set of front mud flaps that look amazing on my car, and I say that because at the time of me recording this voiceover, this is basically future Cody. I've already put them on the car, so be on the lookout for the installation video of the front mud flaps. But in any case, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, thank you very much. I really do appreciate that. Please make sure you hit the little notification bell, and then all notifications, or even just some notifications. That way you don't miss any uploads or some of my uploads. Hope you all enjoyed. I will see you all next time, hopefully in another Project D-Dart video.